Hey, how you doing today, guys? This is Mumble Rap Man. I am doing a video today on how to fix the rear license plate lights and the rear backup reverse lights when you back up. They are out on my Buick Century Custom. It's a 2000 model. I'll take you through some of the troubleshooting. The two basics is just checking your fuses, and the other one is checking the light bulbs. So you can do them in either order, doesn't matter. And if that doesn't work, I can show you another little trick before you decide to go and take it to get it done by a mechanic. So always remember to disconnect your battery before checking your fuses. You don't want to short out anything else. And with that, let's get started. All right. And we are under the hood of the 2001 Buick Century Custom. Here we have the battery. I disconnected the positive side. Alright. Always make sure you use the right tool for the job. You don't want to strip this away because it will strip fairly easily. And make sure you use a wrench with a rubber handle when you're working on any of the electronic components. You don't want it to hit something else because it'll cause electricity to run through them if you connect metal to metal from the positive side. So that can be dangerous. You can short out other things. So you disconnect the battery. You're gonna need a 5/16 socket. All right, and don't be lazy. Just go out there, buy a nice $20-$30 set, and you can use it to do basic stuff. Here we have the fuses. All right, unscrew that. Pop this top off. That comes off right there, and it has the diagram right here on the inside. I've checked the ones that correspond to it, so make sure when you do that you don't check the ones that don't need to be checked. Check the ones that say rear lights, or if you can find it, tail lights, brake lights, anything that says lights. All right, you check that out, put that back. All right, and now we're gonna go check the interior. We'll be right back. The other fuse box is located on the 2000 Century Custom, is located on the on the passenger side door. So you need to open the passenger side door. And there they are. That red reset button is for when your tire pressure gauge comes on. You'll press it, hold it for 5 seconds, and it will reset it. So that annoying little light isn't on your car dashboard. BT dubs. So I've already checked all those earlier. And again, it has a diagram. And you'll find that you should never lose your fuse puller, because it makes it very hard to pull the fuses with your fingers. You could use some small pliers if you have them too. So let's follow your diagram. Look for the lights, stop lamps, everything. Looks in order though. So let's continue our troubleshoot. Now you'll have to excuse the wind. It's very windy today. It's almost summertime. But I'm going to take you through how you take this off. I'm not going to take it off though, just take you through it because I don't need to take it off. I just changed the light bulbs. So I'm going to show you. This is one solid piece, alright? This whole thing is one piece. You don't need any tools. You see that big plastic wing nut? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Might have one more around there. You take that off, unscrew them. They're easy to unscrew, easy to put back on. Just pop it off, and the light bulbs are easy to change. Very easy to see if they're out or not. Mine got changed earlier, and that is not the problem. So I'm not going to mess with that right now. But like I said, you take these plastic wing nuts off. Alright? All of them. Where is it? Let me back up. Oh, right there. Alright? Now, since it's not the light bulbs, and it's not the fuses, and my brake lights work, so there's a problem elsewhere. It's a very simple problem, but you gotta check where your wires are running. They run through here and they come out. They run through here and they come out right here. And you see this? Bingo. You got a green cable that's disconnected and it looks dried out. This has had work on it done before. Pretty sure it's from just the trunk just getting open and closed, and the weather, the heat. And you see there's a black one too right here, and voila, there's another black one on top. You see? So what I'm gonna do is connect these two. Alright, and then I'm gonna connect my battery, and I'm gonna hope that I don't blow any more fuses. But let's try that. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, and we're back. And to show you guys the work that I've done, I know everything's a mess here. This has been fixed quite a couple of times, as you can see. To show the work that I've done, I used pink electrical tape, and I actually had an old TV cable or something I had. I think it was from a blender. I kept this. I kept the wires that go to the wall, and I knew they'd work someday, so I've gone ahead and I did the white one, or the green one I should say. It was kind of hard to do because it's so old and it's getting shorter every time. So that one's done. You see, it's pink, green, white. Boom. And now we need the black one. Here's one end. That should be fun. And here's another one. Oh yeah, that should be real fun. Nice and short, but it has a little bit exposed. So if you've never done this before, it's not that hard. Okay, you're gonna take the wire and put it in there, pinch it a little bit. You don't want to cut it, you just want to pinch the outer plastic and pull it off. Nice and easy. Wire cutters are actually, you can buy one, a wire cutter. at a hardware store, and it's got the different holes where you can fit the cables in, and it'll peel it. It's a wire stripper actually. So if you don't feel confident doing this by hand with the wire cutter, just go down to Ace Hardware, get yourself something nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this, and I will be adding a piece to it. See? And make sure you color code, guys. Always use your colors, all right? That's what wires do. You know, the red one is for something, this orange one is for something. You know, you got it. So we'll be back. All right, and we're back. As you can see, I've connected this one back. It's black, black. Again, I used pink electrical tape, so you can see where the work has been done. They were a little hard to do because they kept breaking on me. Other than that, it was an easy job. Now we're going to reconnect the battery, crank this puppy on, and see if it works. We'll be right back. Alright, we got this bad boy on. Let's see if it works. We're going to be looking for this light. Alright? And this light. So did it work? I can't tell. I'll know in a minute. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.